In this video, I will show you how to create a Rockstar Games social club account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to rockstargames.com. From here, come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see this little icon of a person. Give that a click to bring up this menu, and from here, come and click on to sign up. At this point, it's going to take you through the process to create your Rockstar Games account. So first, you need to provide your date of birth, and once you've done that, click next underneath. Then what you need to do is read and accept the terms and conditions, code of conduct, and the privacy policy, including the data transfer provisions. Now, I've already read through these, but you can read through these in your own time by clicking the relevant links, reading through, and ticking the box to agree to the terms of service. Once that's done, come and click next at the bottom, and then what you need to do is enter an email, password, and a nickname. Finally, you need to select your country or region from the list here, and tick if you would like to receive news and promotional messages from Rockstar Games and its affiliates. If you don't, of course, just leave the box unticked. Once that's done, come and click next underneath. And all you then need to do is go ahead and verify your email. So just a note, you do have 15 minutes to enter your verification code. What you want to do is basically jump into your email. So here I am in my email. Make sure to check your junk and spam folders. Sometimes it does sit through and end up in that folder, but you should now have an email from Rockstar Games with a verification code. So you just want to go ahead, copy this code, and of course come back to Rockstar Games to the sign up page, enter your code into here and click submit. If the code's been entered successfully, as you can see, you're going to get a confirmation like this saying your Rockstar Games account has been created successfully. What you now need to do is scroll down on this page, and there's a couple of additional settings. So for example, your profile visibility, you can choose whether you want your profile to be visible to everyone, people you are friends with, friends and crews, or just yourself. So you want to select that. And also you've got the option to show your friends and country if you want to as well. So you can tick or untick the box depending on your personal preferences. Again, there's a few more settings such as your feed activity, who can see it, and your game stats and things like that. So you just want to go through and set this up for your own personal preferences. Once that's done, come down to the bottom and click the continue button. What's going to happen is you'll be redirected back to rockstargames.com, but if you come up to the top right hand corner, you can see you'll now be logged into your account, and we can click onto this, click onto account, and start using our Rockstar Social Club account. So that is how to create a Rockstar Games Social Club account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.